mad.
Why? What happened?
Because I told them I didn't want Pepsi. I told them diet. And they said, no, Pepsi. I can't drink it.
Hustling Hyena Clan! What is going on, my hard-working, forever hustling gig economy drivers? It's Tony, your Hustling Hyena. Today is day number 71.
Nice.
Day number 71 of trying to save that $12,000 to $15,000 for my first Turo car. I'm at my favorite place, but before we get started, I just want to say thank you. Each one of these videos that I make takes about 8 to 12 hours of my novice editing, and I wouldn't have the motivation to do them if you guys weren't liking, commenting, and subscribing. So honestly, thank you. Anywho, as I came up to the Walmart parking lot, I saw a lot of new people camping. Not sure if they're here for Instacart or Spark, but if they are, I'm hoping it's still busy enough for me to get an order because the usual offer time has already passed and I haven't received an order. Oh, and I just made a hat. Let me know how you guys feel about this. I was thinking of maybe putting different states here. So, you know, if you're, I don't know, in Virginia, right, Nova Dasher, you'll get yourself a Hustling Hyena. Virginia? Yeah, let me know how you guys feel about this. Order dropped off, and it seems like the other Walmart that's not so far away is busy because they did send me an order express right away. And there's no way I could have said no to this one. 1.5 miles, but it's gonna be for $36. And it's still kind of in the vicinity of my Walmart, so 100% worth getting. All right, we're here. Let's get this one shot for. That's the only problem with going to a different Walmart or a different place is you really don't know where anything's at. I know Walmart Spark puts things together to make it really easy, like it tells you the aisle and the modular and stuff like that, but this Walmart, not all the modules are correct. So I ended up being a little bit longer than I wanted to, but no big deal. Just another day of shopping, you know? Money's still worth it. Oh, yeah. I'm back at my Walmart, and yeah, didn't end up getting another order that I was really hoping for whichever Walmart. If it was a good order for that previous Walmart I went to, I would have taken it, but oh well. Back to my Walmart and now just waiting, hoping that this hour doesn't go to waste. On a lighter note, let me know how you guys have been. Let me know how the gig economy has been treating you. And let me know if you've been doing any other side hustles. Because I just recorded 2 videos. They're not fully done. I still have to edit, but they are on different side hustles that I've tried. And if you want to see me do a side hustle that you think is worth it, I'll put the time and resources to see if it's worth it for everyone. So yeah, let me know below. Make sure you comment. Oh man, it's been about 45 minutes of waiting. Got a few bad Instacart orders that I just didn't take. Let me know what you guys do. Usually I'm on YouTube watching my buddies do the gig economy, but what else do you guys do? I sometimes go through Reddit. If you guys want to find me on Reddit, it's Hustling Hyena. But yeah, let me know what you do while you're waiting. Maybe I'll watch Seinfeld or something.
One eternity later.
Needed a Hail Mary and I got one from Walmart Spark. $44.35, going 5.3 miles. And I also took an Instacart order going the same way. That's for $19.38. Hopefully I can get this done pretty quick. There's the one Instacart order, and then from Spark, there's 1, 2, and 3. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What for?
You want
One.
right?
Yep, one. Is this yours?
No. If I used to work here, so
I used to work here?
yeah, for Solutions and for Change, the program.
Oh.
And so I know everybody.
Is this like lower income housing?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is nice for lower income housing, right?
Yes. Yeah. Trash chutes, a washer and dryer.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Have a good day.
What is going on? So this is weird. I am locked inside. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, it was locked like this. What? Okay. I promise you, the first time I tried to open the door, it did not open. So I ended up kicking it and it did not open either. And then all of a sudden, when I turned on my camera, I was able to open the door. If they have a camera, I'm gonna be looking wild just kicking the door. All right, would you like me to put this in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Is that it?
That'd be it. Yep, that's everything.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, thank you so much. That really means a lot. Would you like me to bring them all in?
Yeah, you just can bring them anywhere.
Like just put them up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So mad.
Why, what happened?
Because I told them I didn't want Pepsi. I told them diet. And they said, no, Pepsi. I can't drink it.
Oh, it's Diet Pepsi. Look.
Oh, this
yeah.
one, is it diet?
Yeah, they're all diet. The white is diet. The blue ones are regular, yeah. These are all Diet Pepsis. Uh-huh. Look, you can see it right here.
Okay.
Do you see where it says diet?
Okay.
Right here. Boop. Order dropped off, and it was a sweet old lady, and I don't know why, but it's always the people you least expect to tip that tip. And she tipped $10, so thank you. She tipped me right after I brought the waters inside. After I got tipped, I just ended up bringing all the rest of the groceries inside as well. I know you're not supposed to go inside, but sometimes I do, especially if they're older, just to help out. And yeah, $10 goes a really long way, so thank you. I think I need like another $20 to $25 to hit that beautiful $150 mark, which would be absolutely incredible. And just like I said, I was gonna take an order that was at least $20 to $25, $25.64. It is another 3 drop-off orders, so the Walmart gods heard me. Order finally loaded up in my car, and I kind of missed the 2 drop-offs versus the 3. The 2 drop-offs were never loaded up late. Well, I can't say never, but out of maybe 30, it would happen one time. But with these 3 drop-off orders, it feels like it's always not ready. And I have to wait about 15 minutes to get everything loaded up in my car because I have to wait for them to finish packing it and then bring it out. Let me know what your experience has been. In fact, I can't even find 2 drop-off orders anymore. I don't think I've seen one in about a month, maybe more. Let me know if they're all gone from your area or if you still have them and if you still prefer them. So this place, unfortunately, I can't open the gate. I can only open the walk-in gate. Which I think is stupid. Hello. What's up? Do you know where you're going? I have no idea. Do you know where 310 is? Okay, cool, thanks. Ooh, that one? All right, thanks. It's that way. This is what I like to see. Christmas lights still up.
It's just thrown somewhere. You see it by the side of the road. Looks like a mob.
Top, are you comfortable?
The car slows down, the door opens, and this tree just rolls out.